Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at the bus stop in Medina and Rabat, and so I'm trying to get to Dingli Cliffs. It's on the far west coast, and so you have to take a bus from Valata, which is 51, 52, or 53, and then you get to here, and then you have to take bus 201, and that should get you the closest, and then you gotta walk. Okay, bye everybody. All right, everybody, so here's my map, and you can see Valata is way over there, Valata, and I am going to this place, Dingli Cliffs. See it right there, Dingli Cliff? And so I think that says the 201 gets me there the best, and so here's the 201. It's got to focus, there we go, 201. And it'll go to Dingli, and it looks like the 201 comes at 8:30, and it's 8:23 now, so I guess I'll jump on that and see if I can get to Dingli. So you go from Valata and you take 51, 52, 53. That'll get you to what's that town called? It's Rabat or Medina. Then from there you take another bus to 201, and that looks like it'll do it. Okay, bye. All right, well, I'm on the bus 201, and it's really clean and nice and pretty, and it says airport on it, but it says it goes to Dingli, and so that's where I'm headed. So cool. Off to the races, everybody. Okay, so guess where I made it to? the Dingli Cliffs, and it's a bus stop right out by this radio tower, and it's kind of out in the middle of absolutely nowhere, but I guess the cliffs are right here. Okay, this could be cliffs. I guess this is it. Wow. Well, I wonder if you can get to the front of the cliff so you can see the edge down there, or if it's not, you know, I can't tell if those are farms or if those are roads, or I guess I'll go this way. Anyway, let's go walk about. Bye everybody. Well, this is the Dingli Cliffs, you know, and I guess I was imagining something different. I was imagining something like this, but taller, and then you could just look over the edge and see down and all that kind of stuff. But you know, maybe they think, I mean, or they're saying the cliffs are these things too, or maybe it's the whole structure. But as far as getting down there, I think it's going to be a bigger job than you'd really want to do. I guess if you had a car, it'd be different. But anyway, the Dingli Cliffs. I don't know that I would spend a lot of time coming out this way. And it looks like little farms down there, or little people have houses and farms or something down there. But anyway, this is the Dingli Cliffs. Is that Dingli Island? You're funny, Eric. I'll zoom out, you can get a full view of the sea this way. Okay, well, I bought a bag of gummy bears, and so I'm gonna pull up a chair. They have benches along here in certain places, so I'm gonna pull up a chair, have some gummy bears, and look out at the ocean until the return bus comes back, and then I will head back to civilization. Dingli Cliffs. Thanks everybody, bye bye.